gonna be famous. Let me walk ahead of stroke.
I think the paparazzi would be all over you.
Yeah.
You gotta protect your identity.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are out here today at the Saturday morning Madonna Farmers Market, and our two main objectives for today are to find in-season ingredients to make a really yummy fruit salad, and then also to connect with some of the farmers here and really get to know them, know about their businesses, their growing methods. So come along with us.
Hi, my name is Arturo Chavez. I'm from Chavez Family Farms. We've been farming for over 30 years now. My dad's a farmer that started our company. And in acreage, we farm around over 20 acres now, mostly fruit and vegetables. I think it's a little better getting the produce straight from the farmer opposed to all the overhead getting it at a grocery store, where it comes from a big company, everyone bids on it, it gets split up, it gets picked early so it can ship to the market, and then from the market, sometimes it can go to another person and then sold to the customer, but from us it's straight from the farmer. Yeah, and it's just been a family business for over 30 years now.
It's all about from farm to the table, all my concept. I'm a graduate, I'm a doctor, I'm PhD viticulturist, I'm in the ag. Okay, so this is our breakfast. I'm Palestinian back home. This is like thyme or the oregano with sesame seeds, and this is the hummus straight. This is the original, no any additives, just the garbanzo beans, tahini, and lemon, garlic, salt. And this is the homemade dough, meaning homemade, made by hand. California shredded mozzarella cheese and give it tomato salsa. Easy to roll it, and they can create it. They can make whatever they want. You see it? Handmade.
Los Osos Valley Organic Farm. We're off of Clark Valley Road and Los Osos Valley Road. It's a pretty small scale organic farm. Everything we do is completely organic. We specialize in strawberries, have lots of lettuces, and broccolis and brassicas as well. Jim is the owner of the farm. It's basically all run by him and a few assistants like myself. Yeah, he's had it for a little over 10 years, I believe. Before that, he was down in Orange County farming there. I think having a relationship with your food is really important because it kind of brings the entire process full circle, and you're able to see from the beginning where your food is coming from, and making sure like you have relationships with these farmers that help support local agriculture, local businesses, and stays away from like huge chemicals and foods. So yeah, we do not spray any chemicals on any of our foods. We try and do more like intercropping and things like that, mixing different varieties that are good together, and then applying different nitrogen methods kind of helps produce really strong vegetables.
Alright, so we just got back from the Saturday morning farmers market at Madonna. I have another dietetic intern here with me, Angel.
Hello.
He's also a farmers market connoisseur, so we're gonna explain what we got today. So first of all, we got this homemade hummus and pita bread from a local business in Morro Bay, and they were telling us all about how they make it. And then we got some onions. We have two different varieties, and this was from one of the only organic farmers at the market. And we got, these are really interesting, they're called loquats, I think. And this was it's a Chinese fruit that is really juicy. So we wanted to try something new for our fruit salad, fruit salsa. And then we got some carrots. And then we'll plan on using the tops as well too, possibly to make a pesto or something. You want to say what you got, Angel?
Yeah, let me show you real quick. So, I got some very delicious sourdough bread from a very nice bread lady. Also, I try to shop seasonal, so I got some berries, some blueberries, as well as some strawberries. In addition to that, we also have peaches, which are also in season, and some snow peas.
Yum. And these berries were from the Chavez family farm, right?
That is correct.
Yeah. So we talked to him. He was cool.
It's our buddy.
But yeah, this is what we got. I think we spent, what, like $20 maybe, a little more. So just bringing cash with you is really helpful. And then also talking to the farmers and...
Also, don't forget to bring your own bag.